In Alief ISD, career and technical education is more than a class. It's how we discover who we are and where we're going.
We have access to dozens of CTE programs that let us explore real careers, from health sciences and business to the skilled trades, technology, and the arts.
In health science and veterinary programs, we don't just learn, we practice. We work in real labs, earn certifications, and prepare for careers that help others.
Programs like culinary arts and cosmetology gives us hands-on experience that mirrors real workplaces, from professional kitchens to client services.
In skilled trades and manufacturing, we're building more than projects, we're building careers that are in demand right now.
CTE pathways in business, marketing, and digital communication help us develop leadership, creativity, and real-world professional skills.
Through CTE, many of us earn industry-recognized certifications before graduation, giving us a head start in college, the workforce, or both.
We have opportunities for internships, job shadowing, and real-world experience, learning directly from professionals in the field.
At the Alief Center for Advanced Careers, our classrooms look like real workplaces, preparing us for life beyond high school.
CTE is helping us turn our interests into plans, our skills into confidence, and our goals into reality.
This February, we celebrate Career and Technical Education Month and opportunities that shape our future.